Alright guys, check this out. Look, there's like hundreds of thousands of birds right here. And I try to get a good video of them. So watch this. Can't really tell in a video, but look at all these fucking birds. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my fucking god. Holy shit. Look at all of them. Wow. Alright. Yeah, hopefully they come back this way. That's so crazy. I've seen it before, like every year, but it's still awesome. Well, that's about as good as a video as I'm gonna get, so thanks for watching. Peace.